Hi, my name is Annalee Kruger. Most of you know me through my business, Care Right Incorporated, where I help families with aging loved ones all across the United States develop their aging plan. I've spoken with many financial planners all across the United States and continually hear the same feedback from advisors. That feedback consists of wanting to learn more about the aging process, family dynamics, and diminished capacity, and how to better serve their aging population. 2 years ago, I met Bob Mauterstock, also a speaker. He was speaking at the Financial Planners Association in Wisconsin. Bob has over 30 years experience as a CFP in Connecticut. We developed a business called Plan4life and developed a 2-day workshop here in Bonita Springs, Florida in November with those topics about the aging population and diminished capacity and family dynamics. If you would like to learn more about this workshop, visit our website at www.plan4lifenow.com. That's the number 4. So www.plan4lifenow.com. If you'd also like to learn more about communicating with an aging population, I've created a valuable checklist. You can email me at Annalee@plan4lifenow.com. That's ANNALEE at plan, the number 4, lifenow.com. And you can just put in the subject line, communicating with aging clients, and I'll send you this checklist. Thank you.